Discord very loud. Hi, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
You there?
I am here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Pog. Very pog. Okay, so you say you do not have OBS. Okay, cool. So, you have Windows 10. That is what your operating system is?
Yes.
Okay. So, I was thinking, if you're down, this could be video thing where I show you how to live stream.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna share this. So this is a thing. So this is a thing. I'll post the link here.
I already have something called OBS Studio, but is there something else I need?
OBS Studio? Is it like have the little fan icon kinda?
Yeah. Let me try to open it.
Okay. Can you share your screen? Obviously I'll edit out any sort of thing that accidentally comes up if there's any sort of stuffs.
That's sus, but okay.
But I'm just being fully transparent because, you know, if you're sharing the screen, something could come up, right? Yeah, this is the thing. You should update it probably. Probably. It's good plan. Have you ever streamed before?
No.
No? Okay. Well, while you're waiting for that, you might as well open up
Downloading data, OBS plugins, OBS quiz 11 with
Yes. You might as well open Google Chrome while it's updating that. So just yeah. So just head over to YouTube.
Okay.
I see you have found button. So yeah, just click that button, go live. Don't worry, it's not gonna immediately start a live stream. It doesn't have it doesn't have the information needed to do so. Okay. So no, don't do that. No, do that. Just click away from that kinda.
It's frozen right now, I think.
Oh, fun. That's fantastic. It's just, oh, I see. It's like not responding. Let me just bring this over onto this page.
I feel like I should.
Put it as no, it's not made for kids. You don't have to restrict over 18, but you can if you want.
Given how much I curse.
I mean, it's not really about the cursing. It's more if there's any sort of like potentially NSFW content. So it depends on what like your content's gonna be, but I think you're probably completely fine. Okay, cool. So,
and then you see a bunch of shitpost status thumbnails, and it's like, fuck.
Okay. So the first thing you're gonna do. So you see the stream settings thing. So, man, it's been a long time since I've been in this page, obviously. So you see where it says stream key? You might have to scroll down or up somewhere.
Stream key?
Yeah, it'll say stream key, specifically stream key. Yeah, so that's fine where it is. You don't have to click anything except for just click copy, where it says stream key to paste in encoder. There's a copy button. This right here.
Which one?
Right, where it says stream key paste in encoder, and it's all like little dots.
Paste in. Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So just click copy on that. Launch OBS. Perfect timing. Fantastic. Okay.
Watch there be.
Oh my goodness.
I would not, nor would I have ever. So.
If you're really worried, we can make your stream unlisted, but I don't think we'll need to. All right, pop into here. Yes, very pog. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do, you can keep what you got there. Seems you were using that for something. So just create.
I tried, but I never did.
All right, create a new scene. So down bottom left where there's a plus button, just call it Pog Stream or something. A stream. All right, and so So we're gonna just we're gonna stream awesomeness. So maybe I was gonna say Roblox, but Roblox is pretty laggy for you most of the time, isn't it?
Not really.
No, it's okay, because a lot of people have trouble with lag on Roblox. So pop open Roblox, just have it like open off to the side in the window. Just anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Even if it's just an empty base plate, that doesn't really matter much.
Backsearch battles. Hey, this game is fun.
Yeah. Alright, so once that's loaded up, then annoyingly, you're gonna close OBS and reopen it because it might not recognize that the game was the requested experience is full retrying.
Yeah, fuck, I'll just put in a different game than him.
Yeah, screw that guy. Nobody likes him. Alright, so you are here on ROBLOX game. So just pop that into windowed mode and kind of just slide it over to the side. Just so we can get around this easy. We can pop it back into full window in a bit. So go down and add a source. Down where the sources is. Yep. And add game capture. You can call this one ROBLOX. Close enough. All right, now let me just see here. So turn on allow transparency, because sometimes not having that on can mess with things. Scroll down a little bit. Is there any more options past hook rate? No. Okay, scroll up and go click on mode where it says mode. Yeah, click on there. Capture specific window. And then click there. Click on ROBLOX. And then go to window match priority and set it to specifically to just match title, because there's two options. Window title must match. Okay. Click OK. That's looking good. Now right click on what you got there. On that little red box that has ROBLOX in it. Just right click it and click transform. And click stretch to screen. Alright. Currently you're in studio mode, so just click that where it says studio mode. So I'm thinking, so we gotta make this legit, right? So let's add another source. So a little plus button, and let's put in text. So we look like real official streamer guy. You can call it whatever you want. Okay. I can't see what it says there. If it, oh, okay, it was just loading. So put something like, I don't know, welcome to my stream, or subscribe, or streaming Roblox. Doesn't really matter what, just something that, you know, you just see up in the corner or something on the stream. Yeah. Put it's right. Link in description, or yeah, Discord. Yeah, that's a good one actually. Yeah.
Want to do this in your server?
Sure.
Can you give me a code to your server?
Yes, it is. So yeah, Discord link. I pasted it in the thingamabob. All right, and you can select fonts. You can select colors and stuff. Whatever you want for here. You can just keep it basic. Doesn't really matter. Because this gets kind of annoying. Same thing as the other thing. So first right click it and go transform and go stretch to screen, and now you can resize it freely, so it can be however big you want it to. So yeah, so with the window you're seeing with the ROBLOX and with the text, that is like what the full screen of the stream will look like. That is gigantic. It's when I'm doing a stream, that looks fine. Whenever I'm doing a stream, I like to kind of just imagine what it would look like on a phone as the minimum. Yeah. So
with a full screen?
Don't full screen it. It has some problems with full screen things. I think you could, but you'd have to change the capture mode and stuff, and window capture is just best. So yeah, just full window is good. So head up over to File, top left. Go to Settings. And then you're going to go into the part that says Stream. There's a lot of settings. So just click on there. Press Control A and just delete that. I have no idea what that is there. And then paste in the stream key you got from before. And okay, that looks great. So one other thing. So head back on over to YouTube Studio where you have the stream stuff. And go back to YouTube Studio and see where it says server. Or stream URL. Yeah, copy the stream URL and head back over to OBS. And I think that's probably fine, but click on server. Like it's right above stream key. Yeah. And primary YouTube ingest server, the top one. Well, I guess you don't need the link. And have you already if you click on service, so did you, like, when you set this up the first time, you already logged into YouTube, I'm assuming?
Yeah, but I didn't really do anything. Like I just like touched it. I'm like, fuck, I don't know what to do.
But you did log in.
I don't. I mean, I was logged into my YouTube account probably.
Click on service. Right above server.
YouTube.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay, just click apply. You may end up having to mess with the video or the output settings depending on how the stream looks. I'm not entirely sure.
So
the default settings should be fine, but in some cases, it's really just trial and error. So we'll just see what it looks like when we get to that. So yeah, now go and click OK on OBS there. Yeah, okay. So next you are going to go back to, yep. And so you see where the chat is shown on the side there? So up at the top right of the chat, there's these 3 dots. If you click pop out chat. So now you have a little chat bar that you can have. You can click got it, whatever. It's just telling you that you can pin a message to the top. So you see that link up at the top. So copy that link. And then head over into OBS. And add a source. You're going to add a browser source. That's near the top. Yeah. And just click, type whatever you want for the name of it. Yeah, that's good. And then replace that URL with the URL you have put in. And that's fine. Just click OK. And is it over top? Why is it not showing? Oh, there we go. Okay, so right click it and click transform and stretch the screen, because basically for whatever reason, if you don't do that first, it doesn't allow you to freely resize it. So size it however you want. Keep in mind this will be like the size people will see the chat at. If you want to do it differently, we'll add another scene that'll have like a certain portion of the chat shown at once, but if this will just show the default chat thing. So is that good? Do you like that? Okay. So that will be covering part of the screen. So I would recommend resizing the ROBLOX one to go a little over to the side, and then just making the chat taller. So yeah, just grabs the let go of that. Just hit Control Z. So grabs the middle dot on the left side, and just bring that up to the back to the edge of the chat, so that you can see all of ROBLOX. Yeah, and then fit that stuff however you want it. Cool, that looks pretty good. What do you think of that setup currently?
Decent.
Okay, so in the audio mixer, I see absolutely nothing, which is a little odd, to be honest. Do you see I don't see on your screen, but do you see a button to add
No.
anything to audio?
Nope.
Okay. Head into the settings again. So in the settings, yeah, audio. There should be global audio devices and desktop audio. So I'm assuming you're using a headset.
Mhm.
So click on that.
Mhm.
And there.
Would it be this?
Whichever one would seem to make the most sense. Like it should be whatever device is
That's
your
my device,
yeah. Okay, and then there should be one for mic/auxiliary audio. And then yeah, same with that. And then click OK. All right, perfect. Wow,
Okay.
I am I really loud on your end? You might want to turn down the desktop audio one a bit. I think this probably doesn't need to be quite that quiet. Okay, okay. Pro tip. So go to the that's probably good. So pro tip, go to the bottom right of the mic one where it has a little gear icon. Click that and click on filters. And then add at the bottom there. The little plus. Add noise suppression. Just click OK. And yes, exactly that. Just exactly that. And then you can close right out of that. There should be a lot less background audio from your mic because of that. So that's just a little pro tips there.
True.
Okay, so in theory, Cookowas. Wait, you can hear me, right? Okay. In theory, you should be set up to stream right now. So yeah, whatever you want your ROBLOX volume to be, all that jazz. So what you're gonna do is go up to where it says edit. Yeah. Change the name to whatever you want for the stream. There's live stream. Add a little description in there. Great description, very good. Click on click on customization. Just making sure all this is good. Yeah, that should be all fine. And just click save. That's all good. Okay, cool. So head over to OBS and just click start streaming. All right, I'm going to head over to your channel and get the link for that. And you'll see on YouTube Studio, it should have the stream.
Please check. Should I be checking over?
It would be a good idea. Always to check it. So I'm gonna head over to YouTube. All right. Should I just join you on ROBLOX?
Yeah, I bet. You should join soon because the match is about to start. So.
I'm probably just gonna end up being late.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a match or a round or whatever they call it, maybe a race.
That would make sense.
It would, wouldn't it?
It would. It truly would.
But
Upgrading ROBLOX.
ROBLOX is sense it is.
You're live to the world, Cook. How does it feel?
Not good.
Cook's just like, oh no, I can already feel myself being cancelled.
You're right.